Have you ever sat at your desk waiting for a perfect setup, but ended up taking 5-10 trades anyway? That's overtrading. It doesn't happen because you see more opportunity. It happens because your emotions hijack the wheel. Overtrading is death by 1,000 cuts, and it drains your account faster than almost anything else. Overtrading usually comes from two places: boredom and desperation. Boredom says, "Markets are quiet, but I want action." You click in just to feel engaged. Problem is, random trades bring random results, and random results destroy consistency. Desperation says, "I need to make my money back. I need to hit my daily goal. I can't walk away empty-handed." So you chase trades that don't fit your edge. You start forcing entries, moving stops, doubling size. The more you try to make it happen, the worse it gets. Think of it like fishing. A skilled fisherman waits patiently, knowing where the fish are. An impatient one keeps throwing his line in every 2 seconds, scaring the fish away and tangling his line. Overtrading is the same. The market rewards patience, not activity. And the dangerous part? Overtrading feels productive. Clicking buttons makes you feel like you're working hard, but in reality, you're just leaking capital with every impulse. Here's what you can do. Set a maximum trade limit. 3 trades per day, 5 per week, whatever fits your style. When you hit that limit, stop, no matter what. Pair that with journaling so you can review whether those trades matched your plan or came from emotion. And when you feel the itch to click just for action, remind yourself, doing nothing is often the most profitable move. Overtrading is the silent killer of accounts. Patience feels slow, but it pays. Random trades feel busy, but they bleed you dry. Trade less, win more.